Show us what you do. Yeah. See? What's the silly face you do? You chewing a piece of gum? You look like a birdie. You look like you have a bird beak. What is going on in that mouth? What is going on? What is going on in that mouth? Oh man, you got a stinky diaper. It's a good thing that doesn't go through in a video, right? Your stinky diaper? I'm sorry, did I embarrass you?